Hey everyone, and welcome! We're thrilled to have you join us on this incredible journey into the world of investing. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with a bit of experience, there's always something new to learn and explore. I'm so glad you're here, ready to embark on this exciting journey towards financial empowerment. Investing isn't just about making money. It's about understanding how to make your money work for you, so you can achieve your personal and financial goals. Here, we're all about self-expression, personal growth, and embracing positivity in all aspects of life, especially our finances. We believe that a healthy financial life is a key component of overall well-being, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Taking control of your money can feel really empowering. It's about more than just numbers on a screen. It's about making informed decisions that align with your values and aspirations. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on the right path. It's not just about numbers. It's about creating the life you want and deserve. Whether it's spending more time with family, pursuing a passion, or simply enjoying the little things in life, smart investing can help you get there. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. The possibilities are endless when you take charge of your financial future. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner. Everyone starts somewhere, and the important thing is to take that first step. We're here to guide you through the basics and beyond, ensuring you feel confident and capable. We're going to break down investing into bite-sized pieces, using simple language and relatable examples. No jargon, no complicated theories, just straightforward, practical advice that you can apply to your own life. Together, we'll demystify the world of investing and give you the confidence to take charge of your financial future. You'll learn how to make informed decisions, understand market trends, and build a portfolio that reflects your goals and risk tolerance. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. This is more than just a course. It's a community of like-minded individuals, all striving for financial freedom and success. Welcome aboard, and let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Investing might sound intimidating, like something only Wall Street experts do, but in reality, it's simply putting your money to work for you. Think of it like planting a seed. You put it in the ground, nurture it, and watch it grow over time. There are different ways your money can grow through investing. You can earn interest, dividends, or your investments can increase in value. This potential for growth is what makes investing so exciting. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's about patience and letting your money grow steadily over time. Ready to learn more? Let's explore some of the key players in the investing world. Imagine owning a tiny piece of your favorite company, like Apple or Amazon. It's like having a small stake in their success, a way to be part of something much bigger than yourself. That's what owning stock is all about. When you buy stock, you're not just purchasing a piece of paper or a digital certificate. You're buying a small ownership stake in that company, which means you have a claim on part of its assets and earnings. When you buy stock, you're purchasing a small ownership stake in that company. This can be done through various platforms and brokers, making it accessible to almost anyone with an interest in investing. Companies sell stock to raise money for things like developing new products, expanding their operations, or hiring more employees. This influx of capital can be crucial for a company's growth and innovation. As a stockholder, you become a part owner and share in the company's successes. This means that when the company does well, you benefit too. You might receive dividends, which are a portion of the company's profits paid out to shareholders. If the company does well, its stock price generally goes up, and your investment grows. This can lead to significant financial gains over time, especially if you hold onto your stocks for the long term. However, if the company faces challenges, the stock price might go down. This is a risk that all investors must be aware of. The value of your investment can fluctuate based on the company's performance and broader market conditions. Stocks can be a bit like a roller coaster ride, with ups and downs along the way, but over the long term, they have historically offered the potential for significant growth. This is why many financial advisors recommend a diversified portfolio that includes stocks, as they can provide substantial returns over time. Investing in stocks is not just for the wealthy or financial experts. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can start investing and potentially grow their wealth. It's about making informed decisions and understanding the risks and rewards involved. Whether you're saving for retirement, a child's education, or simply looking to grow your wealth, owning a slice of something big through stock investments can be a powerful tool in achieving your financial goals. So, take the time to learn, invest wisely, and watch your small stake in a company potentially turn into something much bigger. Think of bonds as IOUs. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or a company. In return, they promise to pay you back the original amount you lent them, plus regular interest payments. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. They offer more stability and predictability, making them a good option for a portion of your investment portfolio. Imagine lending money to your local bakery to help them buy a new oven. They promise to pay you back with interest over a set period. That's a simplified way to think about bonds. Mutual funds. Teamwork makes the dream work. Don't want to put all your eggs in one basket? That's where mutual funds come in. A mutual fund pools money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Imagine you and your friends pooling your money to buy a variety of delicious fruits from the market. You get to enjoy a diverse selection without having to buy each fruit individually. Mutual funds work similarly. They offer instant diversification and are managed by professional fund managers. This makes them a great option for beginners who are just starting to build their investment portfolios. Baby steps to investing. Your first steps. Welcome to the exciting journey of investing, where your financial future begins to take shape. This section is designed to guide you through the initial steps, making the process simple and approachable. Ready to take the plunge into the world of investing? It might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll find it's a rewarding and empowering experience. It's easier than you think. With a few basic steps, you can start building a solid foundation for your financial future. Let's break it down into manageable actions. Here are a few simple steps to get you started. 1. Set a budget. This is the cornerstone of your investment journey. Knowing how much you can allocate each month will help you stay on track and avoid overextending yourself. Figure out how much money you can comfortably invest each month. Consider your income, expenses, and any financial goals you have. Even if it's a small amount, consistency is key. Even small amounts can add up over time. The power of compounding interest means that your investments can grow exponentially, turning modest contributions into significant savings. 2. Open an investment account. This is your gateway to the world of investing. Whether you choose a traditional brokerage firm or an online platform, make sure it aligns with your needs and goals. Choose a reputable brokerage firm or online platform to open an investment account. Look for features like low fees, user-friendly interfaces, and robust customer support. This is where you'll buy and sell your investments. 3. Start investing. Begin with low-cost index funds or target date funds, which are ideal for beginners due to their simplicity and diversification. Begin by investing in low-cost index funds or target date funds. These funds offer instant diversification, spreading your risk across a wide range of assets, and are a great option for those just starting out. These funds offer instant diversification and are a great option for beginners. They help mitigate risk and provide a balanced approach to growing your wealth. And finally, be patient and stay invested. The market will have its ups and downs, but staying the course is crucial. Avoid the temptation to react to short-term fluctuations. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term growth and achieving your financial goals over time. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and let your investments work for you. Remember to be patient and stay focused on your long-term goals. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a confident and successful investor. Happy investing. Building your financial future, brick by brick. Investing might seem complicated at first, but it's a journey of learning and growth. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Start by educating yourself, taking small steps, and staying consistent. Over time, you'll gain confidence and watch your investments grow. Remember that every journey begins with a single step. Start investing in yourself and your future today. You've got this. Ready to dive deeper? This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to investing. There's so much more to learn and explore. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of investing, head over to our website for more resources, articles, and educational materials. We've got you covered. Show your support. Did you find this guide helpful? We'd love to hear from you. Like this video, share it with your friends who might benefit from learning about investing, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And don't forget to check out our online store at www.1012expressions.com for exclusive merchandise designed to inspire and motivate you on your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for joining us.